Well, here's a little interesting one. So I did a carb clean on this. I adjusted the valves because this one was tight and the bike still wouldn't want to start. Took out the plug, found that it was wet with water. And I was like, where the heck is this water coming from? The only place it could be was the exhaust. And there's all the water that came out of the exhaust. So what is happening is whenever you kick it over, it actually will suck water from the exhaust. I know you think it pushes exhaust out, but it also sucks it up back in. So gotta be mindful for that. So if your CT70 is not starting, you checked everything, it seems like your spark plug's getting fouled, might be water. Check your exhaust. Somehow it got in there. So peace.